someone who is waiting on the TikTok ban, just keep scrolling. Okay, for the ones who don't want TikTok to get banned, let me put you up on game. TikTok is turning into a mini Amazon. All the stuff that I find on TikTok, I am so shocked with the quality. So I'm here to show you guys all the things apparel wise that I got from TikTok shop. So if you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys would have already seen some of these videos, but I have a different audience on YouTube. So I was like, let me show you guys the people who don't have TikTok, don't have Instagram, don't have Facebook, and let me show you guys the outfits that I bought. First outfit, this dress is like so cute. Now I can't zip up. This dress is so cute. It's like a corset and it's ruffled up here. And it is like real smooth in the back, whatever. So again, I couldn't zip up. Listen, this dress is like so cute. It's a great it's like a wedding season dress. Like if you guys have a wedding to go to this summer. In Florida, it's summer every day, so a dress like this is great. I believe I got it in the size khaki. I believe I got it in the color khaki, and I got it in the size medium. But I love how like there's ruffles up here. Listen, I really love this dress. It's so pretty. And I love how it becomes a little mermaid towards the end. Like it really gives it this classy feel. This is one of the dresses that I got from TikTok shop. I couldn't believe it when I got it, you guys. I thought like, okay, I've seen like a couple videos of girls like raving about it. I'm like, it can't be that darn good. But when I bought it, like look at the body is bodying. This dress, when I first tried this on and put a video on TikTok, I didn't know how to tie it, but now that I know how to tie it, this dress is so cute. So if you guys got this dress, you tie the two straps up here and then you tie it here. But you can tie this dress anywhere you want. That's what makes it so great. This dress is so cute. Again, you have these strings. It's like one string here, one string in the back. Again, this is one of those mermaid dresses too. It has the strings up here to keep the girls. You can tie it anywhere you want for security. And the way I tied it was I tied it up here. This is how it originally supposed to be tied. And I tied these two together. But the way I had it tied before, which I put on the screen, I didn't know how to tie it until I started seeing videos. I'm like, oh, okay. So this is how it looks. And I listen, this dress here, this is like top tier sundress dress. Get you one. This is a size medium as well. And again, I meant to tell you with the last dress I tried on that it was stretchy. This is also stretchy. I am 5'7" and I am 170 pounds. This fits like a glove. This dress was a little hard to put on. Well, it is hard to put on. This part right here does not zip. It could be because I need to go pump. However, even so, like when I tried this on before in my last videos, it wouldn't go all the way up. And with me like sucking in my stomach and everything. So I believe it's my bust. So definitely if you have a larger bust size up, I'm a size medium in this. But all in all, this dress is so beautiful. It's open on the sides here. And the zipper is here, so it's supposed to go all the way up. I wish the zipper was on the back in a sense. I don't know if that would have made it a lot better. But if the zipper was on the back and zipped all the way up, I believe it would have been a lot better for us girls that have a bigger bust. But I love this slit. I love how sexy it is. I love me a good sequins dress. Now a lot of people, like sequins is not for everybody. But I absolutely love a good sparkle. I love a good sequins dress. I have a wedding in the fall to go to. And this baby, when I lose my baby fat, and I know you guys are probably like, what? Because a lot of people tell me now, like, you look good, you look good. I don't feel good. I don't feel like myself. So when I get down to a size that I am comfortable with, I believe that it will fit. But listen, these girls, they ain't going nowhere. At least I don't think. But I absolutely love the dress. This is how the back looks. Very beautiful dress. And this is like perfect for like the petite girls. If you guys like really long dresses, this is like so perfect. Also, this dress isn't as stretchy as I thought it would be. So like, obviously for apparent reasons, like it stretches. But I think I may have to go to a seamstress as well to kind of like, because I don't want to size up. But in the next dresses, like there's like 6 different colors. It's like royal blue, gold, silver, red. So if I get any of those other colors, I'll make sure to size up just to kind of see the difference, just to see if it's just maybe my bust area or if it's just a dress. I'm not sure. But I absolutely love this dress, and I'm really saddened that the bust don't fit right now. But you guys can kind of get the picture as to how it will look. Very beautiful dress. I was so shocked when I received this dress. I was like, bruh, what? I'm the type of girl that I like to sleep in my husband's shirt and some shorts or whatever. But I'm at a point in life where like I need to be sleeping. I need to be romanticizing my life at night. So I was like, let me get me some pajamas, some matching pajamas. And baby, I'm not a silk girl. Some people are like, you need to be sleeping in silk. Silk makes me hot. I can't sleep in silk, okay? But this material, which is polyester and elastin, definitely great. Like I could sleep in this. It doesn't make me hot. It's very soft material, and again, I honestly could have sized up. This is a medium as well, but it's not too tight, so I don't have an issue with like, okay, I'm hot because it's too tight. But no, this is perfect. I don't know about you guys, if you guys like, if your thighs get hot. My thighs do get hot, so I wish it was a little longer. I mean, obviously you can pull it down, but pajamas nowadays be like $30 for matching pajamas. I got this for a reasonable price. And the good thing about TikTok Shop, they always are offering coupons. So if something's like $22, for a limited time, they'll send you a 20% coupon. Amazon will do that. Now, companies will do that. Like if they may send you like a newsletter discount in your email. But we got like 60,000 emails. Who's opening that? So it's great because you can click on the TikTok shop and it'll say redeem coupon almost immediately. And it'll tell you the terms that apply to it. But most of the time it's just you got to spend a certain amount and then a coupon will apply. What more can you ask for? This is amazing. Amazing. I really hope they don't ban TikTok shop, but in my head I'm thinking they're not. I mean, shoot. The 2 presidents that are running, the current president and the president that's running, got a TikTok. What's crazy is not a lot of people like yellow. I absolutely love yellow. Yellow looks good on our dark skin tones. And I've never owned a pastel yellow outfit before. With pockets, you can't tell me this ain't worth the money. And it comes with these 2 strings kind of scrunch up the wrist area. Like, and not only that, it comes with a slit. Like, look at the video. Like, it comes with a slit right here. Like, what? Yeah, some cute heels to this. Not tall heels. This outfit gives like, you have to wear this with like kitten heels. You know what I mean? Like, but other than that, you can dress this up. Like, I think this is great. But the good thing about it, you can kind of tie it up. You can tuck it in. Well, Gen Z would say this is so millennial of me, but okay, I'm a millennial. I absolutely love this outfit, even better that it's yellow. If you made it this far in this video, I appreciate you. I thank you. This concludes the TikTok shop finds that I found and my little try on haul. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And don't worry, all the links will be linked in the description. And yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. And as always, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. As you guys know, I also do photography. And I've been doing digital advertising for about 2 years now, and I'm also including social media marketing as a freelancer. So if you guys want to check out my services, check out my website, check out my profile, check out all 3 of my Instagram pages. Let me know what else you guys would like to see on my channel. Have an amazing day.